Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's short session I'm going to share with you my thoughts about animal anatomy and how we can use it for our drawings. And so I use this reference from the book of Animal Anatomy for Artists. You can find the whole name in the description below. And my main idea is you need, first of all, I think each artist has to understand what's going on with the main bones of any animals, and in this case we talk about horse head. And of course I can spend a lot of time and a lot of effort just to draw a skull and each bone of spine, for example, on these spine bones of horse and or neck bones, and doesn't matter. But I think most important for us, for artists, is just your knowledge. Just have a general understanding what the about shape and about anatomy of horse head, for example, here. Of course, we have here skull, we have jaw, and I would like just to understand the main shape of jaw, and it helps me just to understand when I draw a horse from some point of view. This knowledge of the part of cheek is hard. It is solid, thin, because it is huge bone inside with a huge jaw inside, and this understanding, this knowledge helps me a lot with my drawings, because just to understand it. But it doesn't mean that I need to draw in each tiny parts and each I don't know, each shapes of horse of horse skull. It's enough for me to just understand, just to know that this part is not flexible, this part is hard and solid, kind of. And that's it. This is my main idea. Just have a look, try to draw with general lines, skull of horse, just to understand, and just for your knowledge, just for understanding what's going on here. And another thing we have, it also helps you to, it can help you to understand what the main shape of horse head and horse's head. As you can see here, I try to mark, and with very general, very simple lines, and to simplify its head. And also, as you can see, in this case, not in this case, in this drawing, which by ears and mouth and nose of horse, they are so flexible areas, because it's almost no skull there. And this is a point that what you need just to understand what's going on here. And the mouth of lips, kind of horse head, it's quite flexible area, very flexible. And why it's just enough to you just to have a look and make a very simple sketch of bones, horse bones. And also, what about nostrils of horse? They are kind of tubes which come inside into his skull, its skull, because they are also very flexible, depends on breath of horse, and that's it. So, and also this bone, this kind of bulge on the bump of horse, it is part of its skull. Just have a look, just pay attention to this very important part of horse head, and that's it. So thank you for watching my video, and bye for now. See you next time, and I hope this video was helpful. Bye bye.